Today we'll be cooking a Filipino staple, steamed white rice. Being a Filipino, white rice is a staple, right? It's in every breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I think we pretty much eat white rice for every meal of the day. It's being cooked in rice cookers and all, but what if you don't have it? Okay, so today we're gonna cook steamed white rice the traditional way. We're not gonna use any rice cooker. Okay, so we're just going to do it on a pot. Okay, so let's begin. We'll start with putting our white rice in our pot. Okay, so just make sure you put just enough white rice. So if you put in 2 cups of rice or 3 cups, depends. It's really up to you. All right. After putting all our white rice in, what we're going to do is later on wash it all up. Okay. All right. So we're just gonna put in some water. Okay, the water, just enough for us to wash it out. Okay. Now we're just gonna stir it up using our hands. Just getting all the rice washed. After all that, we're just gonna throw away the water and then just wash it again. It's really up to you. Once the water has cleared up, as you can see, then we put some water again. Normally, that rice is measured. When you cook rice, it's measured as if you put in 3 cups of rice, you're going to use 3 cups of water. Right? That's the basic rule. But there are different types of rice. There are some rice that gets to cook much longer than the others. We do it by experience, but you can start by just putting in enough water, about half an inch above the rice, and you can just start with that. So what we're gonna do now is put it on top of our stove, right? Light out a fire and start cooking. So what we're gonna do when we steam it is just gonna cover it up and wait for it to start to boil. Okay. Now at the early stage of boiling, as you can see now is a time to put your fire in really low heat. And then let it steam. So once done, as you can see now, there is no more water in it. Rice is perfectly cooked. It's steaming hot. What you can also check later on from time to time, you can check the rice. If you think it's running out of water, you can add some water into it. Just so you know if it's going to be dry or undercooked. Just slowly add some water, and then that should be ready to go. Now I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you don't have any rice cooker at home, you can just go ahead and use it on your regular pot. So again, hit the subscribe button, wait for more recipes. If you have some recipe requests, just put it on the comments below. We'll see you in our next episode. Bye.